Hi guys, welcome back to my lovely channel. You guys, I am super excited to share this cute little Louis Vuitton item, and you guys, it's on the more affordable side from Louis Vuitton, and it's not a key clay, but of course you can see by the title what it is. You guys, it is such a cute piece, and I'm really excited because y'all can give it as a gift, or you can do it as like your starting off collection to your Louis Vuitton collection, or your luxury items just in general. I think it's such a cute like beginner's piece, I want to say. Or if you're an expert or whatever, you can still have it, girl. I think it's very cute. You guys, I just wanted to mention really quick, I still have my giveaway going on, and it's a luxury giveaway. And you guys, I actually have the bag right here that I'm doing, and it is on Saint Laurent YSL giveaway. This is actually the giveaway. You guys can see what the item is on the inside. I will link that video down below. Please enter if you haven't, because I just want to say thank you to my subscribers. And again, if you have not subscribed, girl, what are you waiting for? Hit that subscribe button and join my little fam. And again, if you guys have been subscribed to my channel, thank you so much. I love you guys, and it means so much to me, and it really does. And of course, by that gift, y'all can see that I really appreciate you guys. So yeah. But of course, what else can I talk about? Oh, if you love my top, girl, I have the fall haul, clothing haul that I have. I will link that video down below as well. There are some cute pieces, you guys, and I really think that you guys will really enjoy some leopard pieces. I actually love leopard, so let me just throw that out there. But yeah, there's some cute pieces from Target and Old Navy, so of course they are affordable. So yes, I will link that video down below. And you guys, before I start my video, of course, you guys know I want to read a quote. And by the way, I hope everybody's doing well and everything is going good for you guys. I just wanted to say that. But here we go with the quote, you guys. So it says, "Do something today that your future self will thank you for." So like I said, you guys, make sure you hit that subscribe button, and let's go on to the video. All right, you guys, here it's this little cutie. By the title, y'all can see, or not see, by the title y'all can tell what it is. This is the orange shopping bag it comes with, and of course this is the little tie. This is Louis Vuitton. I'm sure you guys know by now what all this stuff looks like. My receipt right here as well, and this cutie right here. Look at this tiny box, y'all. This is so adorable. I think Louis Vuitton makes like the best boxes, or whatever you want to call it. They're so cute, and I love these little pull tabs as well. So let's get into the cost of this is right now. So you guys, I'm going to tell you guys a little bit about this bracelet. It is called the Nano Monogram bracelet, and I'm going to show you guys what I purchased it for. So of course I'm gonna cover stuff up so y'all can't steal my identity. I'm just kidding, but yeah, I'm gonna cover stuff up. Okay, you guys, so it's gonna be a little hard. So this was $250 when I purchased it, and okay, let me make sure. It says $250. This is like an awkward position, and I don't know if you guys are gonna be able to see it, but it says $250 right there. And of course, with tax, I live in Arizona. Scottsdale Fashion Square is where my Louis Vuitton is. So it was $270 with tax. So, but right now, so remember I said $250. Okay, let me just do a little rant really quick. Listen, I'm like over all these luxury brands raising their prices. Like, come on, like it's ridiculous at this point. Like, it's just becoming crazy. I don't know why they're doing that. I don't know if it's because of everything that's going on, or they're just trying to make it to where a lot of people can't afford it. Like, I think it's crazy, and it's driving me nuts, and I think it's very rude personally. So unfortunately, this was one of the price increases. So right now this bracelet is available as we speak, and it is $265. I bought mine for $250, so it's $265 now. So a little bit about the bracelet. Comes in two different sizes, size 17 and size 19. What I would recommend, okay, so if you see my wrist, I bought the size 17. So I don't know, I'm like 125 pounds. So yeah, my wrist is pretty skinny. I feel like it's looking bigger on camera actually than it really is. So personally, I would advise, if you can, to go to your like local Louis Vuitton and try it on. and see which one fits better, because I know like 17 and 19, I think like 19 is pretty big, so I would definitely say if you can try it on, try it on. So oh, actually I think those are the only two that's available, but it looks like there is 17, 18, 19, and 21 centimeters available. So you know what, you guys can definitely measure your wrist and just buy it online, so you don't have to go in store and be annoyed with all like the people and stuff. I would say just measure your arm, or I'm sorry, your wrist, and do it that way. So yeah, so it just says it's a monogram canvas, shiny golden hinges. That is pretty much all. And yeah, again, it is called the Nano Monogram Bracelet. And are you guys ready to see what mine look like? Yay! Okay, so here she is, and it actually comes in not one of the ones I open up. It comes in one of these. You guys can put like you know, you can put like your jewelry in here and just like keep it on your counter and stuff. I think it's really cute. Quality is really, really good. And here she is. You guys ready? Ta-da! Oh my gosh. Okay, I know this is not everyone's cup of tea, but girl, like this is so adorable and I love it. Look how tiny it looks, y'all. I'm telling you, like, so I'm like, my wrist looks big, but it's like so small in person, you guys. But I think this is so cute. Okay, so some of the detail features is this says Louis Vuitton right here. I'm gonna try to focus it as much as I can without like, I feel like my lights are in the way, but yeah, it says Louis Vuitton, and it says LV right here, and it's LV right here as well. This right here, it says, I don't know if you can see, but it says size 17, and it has the date code on it as well, so I'm not going to show that. But yes, it says Louis Vuitton, made in Spain. Okay, I totally forgot how to open this.
2 very boring minutes later.
Okay, y'all, so this is how you open it. You literally just slide it in and out like that. So yeah, again, Louis Vuitton, made in Spain. And here is the monogram canvas piece, so just one piece. You guys, I absolutely think this is so adorable. Okay, like I said, it's not everyone's cup of tea, but that's okay, girl. I think it's adorable. If this is your cup of tea, then that's awesome. But let me just say, see, it looks so tiny, right? But look at how cute that is. Oh, yes, yes, yes. I should be a hand model, right? Just kidding. But yeah, I think it's so adorable. I love it. I absolutely think this is one of the must-have pieces from Louis Vuitton. And again, like the sizing, y'all gonna have to measure your wrist or try it on in store. And yeah, but yeah, makes a great gift. What else? I would also say, again, like the starter piece, you guys, that's very important to me. I feel like when you're getting into a luxury brand of any kind, you always want to start off with like a smaller item. You don't want to make a huge purchase of any of this stuff without like really like this one, you know. For example, I got this and I was like, you know what, I love this, let me get the bigger one of it. You know what I'm saying? So it's just one of those things y'all have to like just think about and make the, what is the purchase. I loved this Dionysus and I got this super mini Dionysus. Like it's just a starter of madness, I feel like. But yes, you guys, here, let me get closer. Again, I absolutely love it. I think it's worth every penny, and I can't say enough good things about it. But like, I don't know how else I can model this. I wouldn't put it, I could put my watch on this side. I'm a lefty, so I usually wear my watch on my right hand. But let's see if it looks cute with the watch on. Okay, that's super cute, super cute. Okay, go buy this, seriously. I think it's so adorable and I absolutely love it. Yes, the price increase is getting ridiculous, but if you see an item you like, I say grab it now before the price just keeps on going up and up. I'm over it, and I know a lot of people are getting very frustrated with the price increases with Louis Vuitton, especially because they had a few this year. So I don't know if it's 2 or 3, girl, who knows. But yeah, I think it's so adorable. must-have piece for your collection. Makes a beautiful gift. Actually, it's unisex, guy, girl. I feel like anybody can just rock this. It's so adorable. All right, you guys, that's pretty much it. Let me know if you guys have any other questions. I know I have a few requests for a bunch of videos that I'm gonna do. So yeah, be on the lookout for that. And if you guys see anything you like, of course, I can do reviews on. Just let me know, comments down below, you guys. And again, don't forget to go on to my giveaway and enter that giveaway. And yeah, if you guys have not subscribed, please hit that subscribe button and join my fam, because I really appreciate it. And yeah, the more support I get, the more giveaways I can do, of course. And again, this is the big giveaway for me. It is a luxury item, and it's not like some random giveaway. I really put my thoughts into it, and I just want to show you guys my appreciation. So yes, but yeah, here's the one last look. But yeah, guys, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, y'all.